Can Drain Buddy pass the Lego test? We have a lot of long, beautiful hair at our house. I'm not jealous. I am concerned about our plumbing though. So I got these for our drains. This is the sink one. So just take this one out. Put this one in. Now it's open. Now it's closed. That's really easy to use. This one's for the bathtub drain. You just put it in like this, these little feet. Go here. And then you twist it. So now it's open, now it's closed. We already have a hair we can catch. Look at that. We're gonna put them in for a week and see what they collect. But in the meantime, let's find out. Can Drain Buddy pass the Lego test?
I know.
All right. Are they down the drain or did it catch it? Boom, all three.